How to use AI for YouTube content and growth. Follow my step-by-step guide. In 2025, AI has become a full-time creative assistant for YouTubers. From video ideas to titles, scripts, and thumbnails, you can automate most of it using free or affordable tools. Start with ChatGPT or Jasper to generate scripts. Just give a prompt like, write a 2-minute video script on the top 5 AI tools for students, and you'll get a ready-to-record script. You can also ask for multiple hooks, titles, or voiceover tones, like funny, serious, or cinematic depending on your channel vibe. For thumbnails, try tools like Canva AI or Kittle AI thumbnail generator. Upload a still frame or describe your topic. For example, a shocked man with "I took my job" in bold text, and it will auto-generate eye-catching thumbnail concepts. You can tweak colors, fonts, and images instantly. Need video ideas? Use vidIQ AI or TubeBuddy's keyword tools. They analyze trends and suggest titles that are more likely to rank and get views. Combine that with ChatGPT to write descriptions, tags. Whether you're new or growing, AI lets you create faster, stay consistent, and focus more on content delivery. Thanks for watching.